carbon soot and you want to clean it, all you need is a can of brake cleaner or alcohol, and we got here a drill and 12 zip ties, actually technically 13, 14, 15 zip ties. Made a tool to clean out the direct injection soot found on these cars. This works on a lot of different cars, you know, GM, Ford, BMW, Subaru, like just you name it. Everybody's got this problem with direct injection. So this is the before and after. I'll show you up close here. Look at that. Before, this is after. Look how much cleaner that is. No walnut blasting, nothing. Just zip ties and a drill. I think all I did was bunch up some zip ties together, cut the ends off, you know, that look like this, the part that latches down. Cut the ends off, jammed them in the drill, put these 3 in there, tighten it up, call it a day. And all right, here's the process. You get some cleaner and spray it in there, and then you get your zip tie thing, your drill. See if I can get a better view of this. One side of the valve, move over, do the other side. And the other side you might want to put in the drill. Doesn't hurt anything. I put it on the lower speed setting. Let's see what this did. This done did. Got a little sucker tool here. I'm going to use it. Hit it with some compressed air real quick. Let's see the results. Way cleaner. You can compare it to this one right here. That's soot city right there. So it's quite effective. I'm gonna do a few more passes on this one until it's nice and shiny, more like this. But yeah, pretty good, huh? It's like a little trick I learned at the Subaru dealership from a friend of mine named Ben. Subi Ben 21. He helped me find this solution. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment or a like and help someone else find this in the algorithm. Post this up on all the GDI groups. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and chicken grease.